The Biden administration is threatening to take legal action against Texas if the state implements a strict new immigration law known as SB 4. The law would essentially empower local and state law enforcement to arrest, jail, and prosecute migrants suspected of entering the country unlawfully. This comes as more than 225,000 migrants have crossed the U.S. southern border this month alone. Joining us now to discuss is CBS News immigration reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez. Thanks so much for being here.
Of course.
So what did the Justice Department say in this letter to Texas, and how is the state responding?
Hi, Chanel. This will be one of the most important legal clashes on immigration in 2024. The Justice Department is saying that it will file a lawsuit against Texas if the state refuses to say that it will refrain from enforcing this far-reaching immigration law known as SB 4, which, as you underscored, will allow state and local law enforcement in Texas to arrest and prosecute migrants on new criminal charges for crossing the border illegally. And importantly, it will allow state judges to issue what are effectively deportation orders, instructions for migrants to return back to Mexico, although that is very unclear how that will actually operate because the Mexican government has said that it will reject returns from the state of Texas. The Justice Department is saying in this letter that this will undermine relations with Mexico, that it will hamper the federal government's ability to enforce federal immigration laws, including our asylum laws, which allow migrants to seek asylum even if they cross into the country illegally, and that it will also duplicate criminal statutes that are already criminalized at the federal level. And so the Justice Department has given Texas until Wednesday, January 3rd, to say that it should refrain from enforcing this law. But that is very unlikely to happen, Chanel. So we should expect this legal battle to play on into the new year.
Of course, it's going to be a pretty long process, but you use the word far-reaching to describe this. So if it is implemented, what kind of penalties could people face if they do enter Texas?
Well, SB 4 would essentially criminalize illegal immigration at the state level. Crossing into the U.S. outside of an official port of entry is already a federal misdemeanor, but this would criminalize it at the Texas state level. It would allow Texas officials to prosecute migrants on misdemeanor charges of illegally entering the U.S. They could face months in prison and also a $2,000 fine. If they enter Texas multiple times illegally, it could be treated as a felony offense and they could spend years in prison. There's also an important provision here that allows the judges to forego prosecution if the migrants agree to return to Mexico. And if those migrants who are issued these orders do not comply with them, they could face another felony offense and prosecution and be jailed for several years as well. So this is a far-reaching immigration law, Chanel, that will be challenged, I think, by the Biden administration. And the Supreme Court, I think, eventually will review it.
Okay, could have a really big impact on immigration. Thanks so much for being with us, Camilo. We appreciate this.
Thanks, Chanel.